Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel OJ Marketing. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you a tutorial on how to use the free Canva text to video AI tool that has actually just been added to Canva right now to go on to utilizing to create some cool videos. And if you want to just simply learn that right here, just simply stick on to the end of the video. The video is not going to last more than 5 minutes right now. So guys, if you're new to my channel OJ Marketing, I create videos on ways you can make money online with the help of AI tools, with the help of CPA marketing and also affiliate marketing. If you like such content, make sure you subscribe to my channel and your notification bell is always turned on all. So diving right back into the video of today right here, you just want to head on to this particular platform called canva.com. So if you head on to canva.com right now, you just want to come around to the video section. You want to click on this landscape video right now. If you select that, guys, it's going to bring you to this page right here, which was not actually an issue right now, which is not actually an issue. So once you get to this page right here, the next thing which you want to do right now is to actually come onto the app section right here in this section. So if you click on apps, you'll be able to see a lot of apps right now. Select the first one right here, which is actually the Magic Media. So if you do select Magic Media right now, it's going to bring you to a page such as this, and you can see right here that if you're actually using the images right here, it's going to show you 5 credits that you only have right now in the month for utilizing this particular AI tool for creating images right now. Because I'm using the pro version, I have about 500 credits right here. So if you're actually utilizing, or maybe you want to create a video right now, it's going to show you a lesser amount of credits right there that you do have right now. As you can see right now, I actually have 42 credits left for my 50 credits of the month right there. But if you're using a free account right there, you will actually be getting a lower salary, credits right here that you can actually use to go on to creating some cool videos. So right now that this is some videos right there, I'm just going to try out some of their examples. You can see right there, this says a beautiful snow-capped mountains in the style of professional cinematography and natural light. So I can actually go into changing this if I want to. I can then just simply click on generate video, and in a matter of some minutes right here, or less than a minute or a minute at most, my video will be generated with the help of this simple strategy. So I'm going to pause the video right now until the video has actually been successfully generated. So guys, take a look at this right here. This is the video that was created right now with the help of this AI tool. Just by giving it a simple prompt, if I select that right there, you can actually do see that the video will be selected right now. You can actually go on to stretching the video right now so that you can fit into this particular section. Once you do that, guys, you could just simply click on the play icon and you actually see how cool the video actually goes on to looking like right now. This is a very cool video right here that you can actually go on to generating more videos by going on to go back, click on this plus icon right here, and you'll be able to continue clicking and see lots of other cool and amazing strategies right now. You can actually go on to inserting your own prompt yourself right there and utilize that to create a video right now. Click on generate video and the video generation will actually be in progress, as you can see right now. So take a look at these, guys. This is actually the image that was generated right now, and I can actually go on to selecting that image right there. I can just simply click on the play icon and you will see how cool the image actually, or the video actually goes on to looking like right now. So basically, guys, you can actually use this to go on to creating lots and lots of cool videos right now just by giving ChatGPT a simple prompt using the Magic Media section on the video section, and you can also do that for images right now. And once you're done, just simply click on share. You can download the particular video scene and utilize that for any purpose of your choice right now. So guys, this is a very cool and simple strategy I advise you take advantage of right now, utilizing Canva to create cool automated videos right now, which are actually AI made videos right there. So if the video actually added any form of value to you, why not just simply hit the like button to the video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel right here, OJ Marketing, and make sure your notification bell is always turned on all. That's it for now. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, guys, and goodbye.